How to use Walmart gift card on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can use Walmart gift card on Amazon. Now here on the screen you can see that I'm on the official page of the Amazon. You can head into amazon.com on your browser and you can log into your account there. Now you can see I'm logged into my account. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the very top of the screen. You can see at the top right beside the card icon you can see profile icon. Simply tap on it, and once there, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below, and under your account you want to tap on the option see all. You can either tap on see all account or you can either tap on see all option, and then you want to head into see all option. Once there, scroll down below until you find the option here. If you scroll down, your payments, under payments you can see the option your payments, and you can see manage gift card balance. Now most of the time Walmart gift card is just a Visa gift card. Now if it is just a gift card wristband, if it is just a debit card or a Visa gift card, what you want to do is you want to head into your payments option there at the screen, and there what you want to do is you want to tap on add a payment method, or you can see add a debit or credit card. Simply tap on add card option, and then you want to enter in your card details and you'll be able to add it, and later on you can make the payment through the gift card. However, if this doesn't work, this mostly works 90% of the time, but if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can head back here and head further back, and under payments the second option you can see manage gift card balance. Simply tap on manage gift card balance there, and you can see you'll find the option redeem another gift card. Simply tap on redeem there and you'll be able to redeem gift card once you enter in your card details or once you scan it. So this way you can use Walmart gift card on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.